Most YouTubers are focused on hooking people at the beginning of a video, but what you do at the end is just as important. YouTube end screens are where you can ask your audience to subscribe, like, or head to your website, but they can be redundant if you don't present your calls to action in an interesting way. That's where YouTube end screen templates come in. They feature creative and engaging animations that draw the eye to your subscribe and recommended video buttons, increasing the likelihood of subscriptions and click-throughs to more of your videos. But which are the best for your channel? Let's find out. This is our list of the 10 best YouTube end screen templates for 2021. All items featured today are available on Envato Elements, an unlimited subscription service that helps you bring ideas to life. With access to millions of design assets and services, simply download whatever items you want as many times as you want to enhance your creative projects. Number 10. This bold and extremely modern pack by Kalinichev features 6 creative designs, a bright purple pattern with yellow highlights, a vivid red template with wavy lines, a crisp technology theme, a comic book theme, and more. Each has a distinct character, and all are in 4K resolution. Hold your viewer's eye until the end with this one. Number 9. Loud, colorful, and creative. This pack includes a set of beautiful templates that are all punchy and on trend. Using bright color combinations, gradients, and patterns, you'll keep viewers hooked until the last second with these designs. The templates feature placeholders for your avatar, recommended videos, and social media handles. They're bright, fresh, and spunky. Number 8. This pack by the same author features a collection of minimal designs. They're more focused, featuring less animated elements, but enough movements to keep the viewer engaged and draw the eye to the most important placeholders. And these templates are designed for Premiere Pro, meaning you can edit them without going into After Effects. They're easy to use and highly effective. Number 7. There's something sweet about these end screens. That's because, as its title suggests, it's inspired by desserts. Featuring bright pinks and pastel colors, it would look right at home with content from a cooking or baking channel. Just pop your channel name and avatar in and apply it to the end of your video. You'll look like a professional pastry chef in no time. Number 6. Final Cut Pro X users can get a lot out of this pack of end screens by Box of Motion. Featuring smooth animation and a variety of bright and bouncy designs, this pack balances clarity, making your channel name and other information easy to interpret, and impressive design. They're all fresh, fun, and functional. If you're enjoying this video, hit the like button below. Don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video assets for YouTube and Instagram content. Number 5. For the quintessential YouTuber, this pack has got all that you need. From subscribe screens to title cards, YouTube Promo Toolkit is an endlessly useful collection of templates for any YouTuber. They've also got really bright, clear, and functional end screens that animate in an engaging way and match the energy of the rest of the template. If your brand is bright and sharp, this pack is perfect. Number 4. Looking for something strikingly modern yet still warm? YouTube End Screens Volume 4 by Graphica is a wonderful option. Built for After Effects with easy-to-use color control, it features smooth animation, playful shape elements, and tidy layouts for your content. Insert your avatar, recommended videos, and social handles, and adjust the color to fit your brand. Number 3. This pack by Premium Milk is built to be edited in Premiere Pro. No need to go to After Effects. And it features everything from subscribe animations to captions templates. The end screens are punchy and sharp with easy to edit colors. Some are louder than others, with fast and repetitive animations to hold the viewer's attention. Others are more subtle, with playful animated elements that are slower moving. There's space for your channel avatar, social handles, a recommended video, and a call to action. There's a lot of value crammed in this one pack. Number 2. This end screen is more of a bumper, quickly sifting through the calls to action one expects to see at the end of a video. It's fast, punchy, and features really creative animation using a pixelated concept. Your viewers will be reminded to like, share, subscribe, and turn on notifications. And it all ends on your logo. Fast, effective, and hitting all the right notes for the end of a video. Number 1. Finally, this YouTube subscribe pack by Templates Bravo features some of the best designed end screens on the market, with smooth animations that draw the eye to your avatar and space for your social handles and calls to action. There's an end screen for everyone here. You can adjust the colors and fonts really easily, and it's all editable in Premiere Pro. Plus, this pack features everything else you need to run a YouTube channel. There are subscribe screens and buttons, and social lower thirds, among other things. So do yourself a favor and download this one today. That wraps up our list of the 10 best YouTube end screen templates of 2021. Which item was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And check out the description for the links to all the items shown today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Envato channel for more roundups. And check out the next video selected just for you.